Hey YouTubers, welcome to Blue Collection. Today I'm going to show you this race case launcher from diecast cars. This case stores 10 diecasts and launches one car after another, and also comes with one diecast, Snot Rod. So here's the case. It's made of a very durable hard plastic and has the Lightyear big bold letters written on it. And it's very easy to open. And best of all, this case stores 10 cars but fits 11. Yeah, that's right, you can put 11 diecasts in this case. So here's how it works. It only launches 6 cars. Starts from here and goes clockwise. These 5 cars in the center are just to store. They're not gonna launch. This is a 155 scale diecast, all custom painted with no stickers. Really nice details all around, bigger tires in the rear, and license plate that also says Snot Rod. I forgot to mention you can always lock this finger here just by pressing this button. In my opinion, I don't think it's really a launcher since it doesn't really launch that far. It just releases the car.
Oh, you don't know how happy I am to see you!
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it. And if you want to see more speedway racing videos, just click on any of these 4 links and you'll see Shake and Go, Spy Jetscape, Quick Changers, and Tokyo Spin Out.